Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable Messenger chat heads on iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide if you can enable Messenger chat heads on iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So it says here, how do you get chat heads back on Messenger? If you want to get chat heads back on Messenger, you can follow these steps. 1, open the Messenger app and go to the settings menu. Tap on notifications and make sure that the chat heads toggle is turned on. And step 3, that's it. You should now see chat heads with your received new messages. So can you have chat heads on iPhone? There is no official way to have chat heads on iPhone. However, there are a few jailbreak tweaks that allow you to add these features. And this video, we're not gonna do that because it's bad. You don't want YouTube to hound you for doing something illegal. And so do these 3 steps first. Another one is, can you get Facebook chat heads on iPhone? Yes, you can get Facebook chat heads on iPhone by following these steps. Go to App Store and search for Facebook chat heads. Download and install the app. Follow the prompts to set up the app, which is very easy. And once the app is set up, you'll be able to see chat heads on your Facebook with your iPhone. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.